In this video, I'm going to share exactly how much YouTube pays me for 30,000 views on my channel. This is going to share some insight for small YouTubers or aspiring YouTubers who are just not getting started, or maybe they haven't reached that 1,000 subscriber minimum and that 4,000 hour threshold yet. This will show you guys what to anticipate as soon as you guys get monetized if your channel is growing at a pretty normal rate. My channel just got monetized in May of 2019. For a while, it was a free-for-all. Anybody could get monetized on YouTube. However, after that whole Logan Paul suicide forest incident, YouTube decided to crack down on the rules a little bit, and it made it very difficult for anyone starting a YouTube channel. They set the barrier pretty high at 1,000 subscribers, and for somebody who's completely irrelevant and has no social following and nobody but their mom watches their channel, hitting 1,000 subscribers is pretty hard. Not to mention the 4,000 hours of watch time. Unless you have a super viral video, you have to crank out a lot of videos. So for 10 months consistently, I would upload 3 days a week, or I would upload to the best of my ability, and I would just look at my analytics and see that there was no money being made and I was working for completely free. This is a concept that I'm completely okay with. I eliminated the desire for instant gratification. So I knew that I had my eyes on the prize, I had my eyes on a bigger goal, a bigger vision that was way out in front of me, and I had to work to get there. And that's what actually helped me get through those long days of spending hours learning how to edit, learning how to use Photoshop, learning how to be comfortable in front of a camera. This was all work that I put into having this channel get to the point where it's at today. And therefore, I'm going to share exactly what's in it for you if you do decide to take this path and to start a YouTube channel of your own for whatever reason, if you want to entertain or if you want to educate. There are various reasons why I recommend anyone should start a YouTube channel. Doesn't matter what you're doing. There's a market for everything out there. Doesn't matter what it is, people will be interested. And all you have to do is connect with those people, and YouTube gives you the platform and they provide you the tools to do that. In this video, we're gonna dive into my analytics here. I'm gonna show you exactly how much I've been paid since May and how my monthly revenue has been looking and what exactly you should expect. With all that being said, let's jump right into it. Okay guys, really quickly, let's look at my social blade. This is a very popular metric used for keeping track of the views and the subscribers and the revenue on YouTube channels. For the most part, their information is very accurate. They keep account of all of the new subscribers you get. They have a live subscriber count. I'm sure most of you guys are familiar with what Social Blade is. And what they typically don't seem to get right is the monthly estimated earnings for channels. And as you see here, if we click this little question mark here, it says the default estimated CPM range for Social Blade is 25 cents to $4 USD. This can be changed in the Social Blade dashboard account settings page. So for the most part, nobody really knows what YouTube channels make. It's a very hard number to come up with, especially because there's a few factors that weigh in on why you make what you make on YouTube. So the way that advertising works on YouTube, you have the marketer, you have the company paying for the ad to be placed on your video. So what we do as content creators, we connect the advertiser and the audience. Obviously, you guys watching this right now, there's probably some digital marketer out there, there's probably some company trying to place an ad in front of you. So they're targeting you specifically. It has nothing to do with me. It has everything to do with you guys. And because of that, there's such a wide variety of viewers on YouTube, ranging from all different ages, all different nationalities, and CPM is definitely something that's calculated based off of location and who you are as a viewer. So if I have a really high ad rate on my videos, that's not because I'm doing something great. It's because you as a viewer are bringing a high CPM over to my channel. So according to Social Blade, for my 30,000 view month, I only made about $133. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna jump in my channel analytics. I'm gonna show you what my revenue looks like. As you can see here, for the month of July, which was my 30,000 view month, I made $521. My first month as a monetized channel on YouTube, I had about 1,000 subscribers and counting, and I just had reached my 4,000 hours of watch time. That month, my channel generated me about $257.16. The next month of June, I made $335.05. And then July, you guys can see very clearly, I made $521.08. Now guys, this is net revenue. This is after YouTube takes their cut, which is a 45% cut. That's actually a massive chunk of your revenue. If you want to put that into perspective, like I actually generated over $1,000 in July, but YouTube took 45%, and I was only able to keep $521 net, which is still really good considering the fact that YouTube gives you the platform, and without YouTube, you're not really making any money at all. So I think it's a fair exchange, and that just makes me realize how much YouTube's actually making as a company and as a business. From July 10th, my revenue has been bouncing around from $14, you guys can see here, went down to $10.38 a day. And it went up all the way to $22, which was like the peak. And I remember that day, I was like, wow, I actually made $20 off of my ad revenue. Now keep in mind, this is net profit here. So the $22.17 is what I kept in my pocket after YouTube took their cut. So as you guys can see here, it jumped to $34.67 on Tuesday, July 30th. And it just had a little peak there. And then August 6th was actually my highest day as far as ad revenue that I made here on YouTube. You can use this video just to kind of give you an idea of what you can expect to make as a small YouTuber. And as you see here, depending on what video is doing better on your channel, you're going to be making more. So like I just recently uploaded this video right here. You guys can see that from 5,000 views, I made about $180 net in my pocket. Now this video is doing really well because it is popping up first on search. So when people search Stash Invest, this is one of the first videos that pop up. And therefore my CPM is really high on this video. I don't want to disclose exactly how high my CPM is, but you guys can see that YouTube search is the primary thing driving the views on this video. And from about 6,000 views, I made $180 in my pocket. Let's look at one of my other videos that isn't performing as well. So I got about 4,000 views, almost 5,000 views, and my total estimated revenue from this video is at $100, which is really good. Honestly, guys, YouTube search is also driving this video as well. So as you see here, I did upload quite a few videos for free, and I worked literally for no money at all whatsoever. But like I said before, I definitely got rid of that instant gratification desire that most people do have. And as you see here, it has slowly become something that I'm going to scale as time goes on. This is obviously something that I'm in for the long term. And as you see here, I now have my highest netting day, and this number is only going to grow as time goes on. My total net generated amount since May, since getting monetized, is $1,236. This is my net amount after YouTube took their cut. So for a while, you guys saw that I uploaded videos without making any money whatsoever. And here we go. I knew exactly what I was expecting when I got monetized. And I actually am pretty satisfied with what the revenue is doing. I mean, honestly, my first day was $5. I was like, okay, there we go. That's green right there. And it continued just gradually getting higher. My averages would get higher. And as you guys can see here, just recently, I hit a $34 day, which was tremendously higher than my first $5 day as a monetized channel. For me, this is exactly what what I had in mind, what I envisioned when I first started with my channel. Obviously, guys, I'm at 2,500 subscribers. I've already made $1,236 in my pocket, and I only plan to scale this channel, guys. When I'm at 10,000 subscribers, that number is only going to go up from there, so on and so forth. And I want to make this video just to make it very clear on what potential YouTube has for those of you guys who take action, for those of you guys who have the work ethic it takes to get a channel monetized. It's not easy. Nobody is going to be there to support you from day one. I mean, like maybe your mom, like I said, or your sister or something. But for the most part, people just don't want to see you win at life. They don't want to see you succeed. And you have to go and internalize your motivation. You have to really know what's keeping you driven. And is it all worth it? This channel has been nothing but a blessing for me. And all the experiences I've been able to share with you guys and everything I'm building for myself and for my future here is honestly what I envisioned in my mind when I set out to get started with this. I think the average CPM is around $7 per 1,000 views, and therefore for the most part you guys can obviously see that I'm making a little bit more than that, but the whole point is to show that it doesn't matter what you do as far as content, as long as you're enjoying what you're doing, you're going to attract a crowd, and you're going to attract people who are interested in what you have to say or interested in your personality or something that you bring to the table as entertainment. For all of you YouTubers out there who are just now getting started, just be sure to stay consistent with it. If you have a set schedule, it'll be a lot easier for you to upload and maintain that upload schedule. Overall, that's my best advice. If you want to get monetized faster, just consistently upload. The more videos that you get out, the higher the chances of one of them taking off, one of them doing better than the others. And that really is going to bring exposure to your channel. It's going to bring subscribers in. It's going to bring that watch time in. So therefore, if you guys found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys all in the next one.